Before we start today's video, I want to share with you this month's pick from Dossier. This is a brand I've been sharing with you for about 2 years now. They are an awesome brand that takes well-known and popular fragrances and recreates them for a more realistic price. And they've got a great reputation for what they do. They actually recreate these fragrances so well, they're practically identical. It's really a great service. This month, I needed to get a gift for a close family friend, and so we decided to do this candle that is inspired by Le Labo Fragrances Rose 31 perfume. And this thing has some throw. I mean, let me tell you, you can smell it through the box, and that's all without lighting it. It's got so much scent coming through. It's very floral, very sunny. It's very bright. It's perfect for a gift for anyone or yourself if you feel so inclined. I want to remind you too that if you want to check these out in person and, see if you like them, feel them out a little bit, you can find them in Walmart stores now. You can check their site for the nearest store to you, so you can go there in person and check out a few of their fragrances. So keep that in mind, but you can also check them out at their shop. I, of course, highly recommend you check them out and pick up a fragrance that smells great and is at an even greater price. Link to their shop is in the description. Head over there and check them out. Now, though, on to today's episode. Coming across my desk today is a new product from the folks over at the Forte Series. And as usual, I've got all the details for you here. And what we got is these hair health vitamins. And first off, this won't be so much of a review per se, because I've only had these for like 4 days. I actually just got home from a very cool behind the brew trip, and I'll have more on that in future videos for you. But this video here will offer up all the info that I can on these new hair vitamins. And stay tuned until the end. You're going to want to stay tuned until the end, because we will be also giving away some of these for free. But first, allow me to introduce you to the new hair health vitamins from the Forte series, which they describe as gummies that are loaded with vitamins that support strong, healthy hair growth. See, the idea here is that you take 2 gummies per day, and through that, your body's infused with an entire list of vitamins that can do everything from promoting scalp health to improving the thickness of your hair. I think it's also worth mentioning here that this and the brand doesn't really claim to make your hair grow faster, which is something that I actually respect, because I've seen a ton of products and brands make claims like that. I'm sure you guys have too. I mean, really, we've all seen it at least once, but here it seems that they're going a more honest route and not making those wild claims, and instead sharing what I think is a more accurate and realistic depiction of what these could help you with, which to me looks like it takes the hair you're already growing and it strengthens and fortifies it via those awesome ingredients. Can it help encourage faster growth? Possibly. It does make sense to say, and we'll go into this when we look at the vitamins, that it could possibly help you grow hair faster. But I think it's much better to just say that it takes the hair you're already growing and it just strengthens and fortifies it via these awesome ingredients, which I'll show you in its entirety here. This is the entire label. You can see everything that is inside here. There's quite a bit of cool stuff, actually. One being that stands out to me is that nice 5,000 mcg of biotin, which, in case you didn't know, I'm sure you do, but just in case, biotin is fantastic for the scalp and the hair that comes from it. Really, biotin can encourage everything from thickness to shine, so that's a great one to have in there and great one to be taking. Looking closer too, we also have various vitamins here we can look at. There's vitamins A, C, D, E, B6, and B12. And looking even closer at that, vitamin A is great for cell growth, which then, of course, leads to better hair growth. Vitamin C helps build collagen, which is highly important again for hair growth. Vitamin D, also essential for healthy hair follicles and again, essential to growth. Vitamin E helps your garden soil, aka the scalp, because without a healthy scalp, you can't have healthy hair. So your buddy over there, vitamin E, is going to help you out with that. Then there's vitamin B6 and B12. B6 helps your hair follicles incorporate important nutrients into the hair building processes. And then you got B12. B12 is actually one of my personal favorites. I take B12 weekly, actually, as part of my testosterone therapy, and it's great for many things, but it's applicable here because it nourishes your hair follicles through the production of oxygen-rich red blood cells, which promotes healthy hair growth while also strengthening and conditioning it as well. Once again, here's a look at everything in there so you can see for yourself. I think they've got a pretty good mixture of things in there, honestly. And once again, you're only taking 2 of these gummies per day. There's actually 60 in the bottle, so you have a 30-day supply, and price-wise, we are looking at $29 for this, which honestly to me isn't terrible. I've definitely seen them double that price in the past, you know, really high there for supplements just like this. And as a reminder too, before I forget, there is a coupon code in the description of all my Forte Series videos. Actually, if you'd like to use that, you can help with that price there too. As far as taste goes though, I know this is usually one of the things that I think of first because of how many of these I've tried in the past. You know, a lot of supplements like this, they just have a terrible taste. They just taste completely bad. The brand, though, says they kind of wanted to correct this in a way. I think they noticed, too, that a lot of products like this don't taste very good, and so they gave this a nice, sweet cherry flavor. It doesn't taste like medicine or anything like that. It doesn't taste like, you know, cherry mixed with dirt or anything like that. It's just got a very candy-like cherry taste. In the end here, though, I think these are good for people who just want a little extra help for their hair health. This is another tool to have in your toolbox, in other words. And obviously, the more tools you have, the more results you're likely to get. And when you think about it, you're already doing good things for your hair, right? You've got a good cleanser, a good conditioner. You're using things like a tonic, perhaps, a grooming oil, or a healthy oil to put some of that back in your hair. This right here is along the same lines, but it helps you on the inside, which is a part I think people often forget about or neglect even. I know I do. I know I forget about stuff like this. So I highly recommend you at least check it out, read about it, do a little research, and see if this is right for you. In the end, the final verdict is up to you as always. But if you would like to check these out, I will leave a link in the description for you. And I'm going to offer you the chance right now, actually, to get a pack of these for free. Get a bottle of these for free, I should say. And with that, I have a little announcement to make too. I'm going to make it a large goal of the channel for the coming year, 2024, to do a giveaway in every product review that I can. I'm hoping that for 2024, I can arrange things in such a way that every single review that I do, you can win the item I'm reviewing for free. I'm going to do my best. To set that up. It's going to be a bit of a process, you know, to get the brands on board, but I think it's going to be good. A lot of the brands are really open to it, so I think it's going to be fun. I'm also going to kind of upgrade the giveaway process as well by utilizing a paid service, which we will be starting now, today, in this video. So all you have to do to enter is follow the link in the description over to the giveaway site, the giveaway platform, and from there you will find the various ways you can get entries. And as always, you do have to be a subscriber to be eligible for the prize. So make sure you have taken care of that beforehand. If you're already a subscriber, you're good to go for this giveaway and all future giveaways. But if you're not, you need to make sure you hit that button so you're eligible to win one of 3 bottles that we're giving away in this video. So we're giving away 3 bottles of the hair health vitamins, and the giveaway is open worldwide. Anyone that is a subscriber to this channel can enter. You've got 1 week from today, and then the giveaway platform will use its random entry generator to pick a winner and email you if your name comes up. That, though, is all I got for today. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. Best of luck in the giveaway once again. Make sure you do the big 3 for me. Like, comment, subscribe. I very much appreciate that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.